Hi, this is Chaz Porter with FSR here at InfoComm 2018, introducing FSR's new look table boxes. In the last year, we've done a lot of research on the appearance of table boxes and learned that aesthetics are really critical to the look of every room. So we've done a lot of work on our existing product line. We originally had a product line called the T6, which we've totally redesigned with new sleek lines, a cleaner appearance with the same function and versatility of our original T6 line. In addition to the CT6 product we have here, we've redesigned our RT6 line. New sleeker corners, new cable openings, with all the functionality and usability that we've had in our product line before. But also here at the show, we're introducing a brand new line called the Symphony line. The Symphony line is a sleek, attractive product that features the capability of having AC power, USB charging, and AV connections all in the same compact box. The box is available in a number of colors with an aluminum top and either black or white sides and or front panels. The Symphony line is available in 3 different mounting versions. We're looking at the clamp-on version right here. We also have a version that mounts underneath the table, and we also have a table box version that fits inside the table with the same connectivity in the front of the box. For more information on the Symphony product line or any of FSR's new attractive boxes, visit us at fsrinc.com.